Okay, Mike, here's a quick walk around. We helped Joe today on the initial and got him set up with what you think we think you want him to do. There are some grass here, probably had Roundup shot on it, but I didn't know if you wanted him to do that next time or what. And you mentioned the walkway here on this side. He did not deal with the sand pit here. That was the understanding. He did take the trash out of this bed with the bushes, except for that piece of aluminum foil. He raked all the beds, picked up the trash. They all look good. Picked up anything he thought was a weed, or we did. Same here. Talked to one of the owners, Paula. She says it gets pretty bad in the summer, so wasn't too bad today. I'm sure there may be a scrap piece of paper here or there, but it's all been raked and the major stuff gone. About 10 trash cans full of debris. This is Joe, so you know. Okay. Let me know if that's okay. Looks like one of your tenants left that out. I'll get him to throw that away.